Hello everybody, it's Lurgs here. Welcome to my channel. I'm here to save you time and money. And today is how to remove the dispenser drawer on an LG washing machine. Over time the dispenser drawer will get full of gunk and gunge and mould, and you don't want that going down and getting in your clothes when you do a wash. Right, let's get cracking. Before we get started, there's a link above now about how to install a washing machine. This is the LG washing machine here, and for today what you're going to need is you're going to need your wife's toothbrush.
Lurgs, have you been using my toothbrush for cleaning the washing machine again?
No. And a hot soapy wet cloth for the cleaning. Okay, the dispenser / detergent drawer is on the top left hand corner of the washing machine, so just gently pull it out until it reaches a point where it won't go any further, and then just push down on this blue button at the back here. That releases the clip and allows you to pull it all the way out. Now when you're actually cleaning this in a moment, the fabric softener level indicator does actually remove, so you can just lift that up. That gives you better access to give it a good clean. So what you do is you take your wife's toothbrush with some hot soapy water, just clean out all the mould and gunk from inside and on the outside of the dispenser tray. And then eventually it should look like this one. Absolutely sparkling clean. Now before we put the dispenser drawer back in, it is definitely worth cleaning the inside of the dispenser drawer here, and as you can see this one is filthy dirty, and this can stop the fabric softener actually dispensing because the jets on the top there get blocked up. And there's a link above now about what to do if your fabric softener is not emptying properly. After giving it a good clean and getting some scraped knuckles, then you can just slide the drawer back in, and now it's definitely worth checking the rubbers on the inside of the drum here. Now this one is actually in pretty good condition, but what you can do again is take your hot soapy wet cloth, just give this a really good clean, make sure that any drainage holes aren't blocked up. If it's really grubby in here, you can use your wife's toothbrush and just give that a really good scrub. And then what's really important at the end is to put it on the hottest setting that it will go and do a really hot wash just to flush out the whole system. And there's a link above now about what to do if your washing machine is not draining water properly. And then don't forget to put your wife's toothbrush back and hope she doesn't notice. And then it's time for a lovely cup of tea. If you found that video useful, please subscribe by pressing this button down here so you don't miss more videos on how to save you time and money. If there's any other useful videos around here, then please select those now. Thank you for visiting my channel everyone, I really appreciate it.